say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. She know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be doing a hair unboxing real quick. This is the box. This hair is from Julia Hair. Yes, I've worked with them before. They are an amazing company. That's why I'm working with them again. So yeah, well, of course in the box comes a return shipping label, which I will not be returning the hair because I feel like it's going to be really good anyways. They sent me 3 bundles. The bundles look really short, but it's the reason why they look so short because I got the texture loose wave. So the bundles are substantially smaller than all of the other bundles that you guys have seen me unbox, but the inches are long. Sent me a closure and some eyelashes that I never use because these lashes are cheap, but I appreciate the thought of them sending lashes. I got 20, 18, and 16 with a 12-inch closure. I kind of wish that it was 14 inches, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. We're going to take a look at one of the bundles first. This is the 18-inch bundle. I'm excited to have this texture because I've seen it on Google and stuff, and it just looks so beautiful. Like, I really love that look. Look at the bounce. Look at that, y'all. It is really cute. Now I'll comb my hands through it. There's no shedding, and I really don't experience much shedding with this hair company because again, this hair is really good, y'all. Like, if I had to put or pick the best AliExpress or hair companies in general, I would probably pick Ali Julia being in my list. This is the 18-inch. So I'm thinking it'll be up here, but I hope that the waves, or not even the waves, but the curls would get looser and fall more because I don't want it to be that short. But if it is, then I might end up, you know, straightening it. Looking at them, they're a little bit thin, but I can work with it because when I sew it into my hair, I'm going to do it with double wefts until I get to the top. But if you guys want a video on that, I could do that. And it looks like it's a decent amount of hair, so I'm not complaining. On this little band, it just says virgin human hair. But again, the hair is really good. Like, I love this texture. It is so beautiful. And one thing that I have noticed about hair companies, their textures vary. Like, the look, like one body wave might look curlier than the next body wave. But with this, I really like it, and I can literally twist it back and it'll go back into a curl or coil formation. It's just beautiful. Now we're going to take a look at the closure. It comes in a typical closure packaging with the net and also the Ziploc baggie, and this is the 12 inches. Whoo, child. Okay. I think it'll be good. I hope it's enough to cover the tracks. I'm pretty sure this is a 4x4 closure, but again, the texture is nice. I did look at the closure before this video just so I wouldn't like be lying to you guys or anything like that. I think the closure is good. It's not too thin. I've seen bad closures, so I think this closure is pretty good. I think it is a free part. Not sure. It might be a middle part or a side part. I hope it's not a side part. I don't have a problem with side parts, but like, I would want to have a middle part on my closure because I usually always go with middle parts to begin with. So, but yeah, this is the closure. There's no shedding on it either. It's a couple hairs, but it's not excessive. That might have been from the actual bundle. Oh no, it's some hair coming out, but as long as it just lasts until I can do my sewing, then I think I'm good. But overall, the bundles are good. I'm excited to try them, and I'm gonna see how this closure holds up after I bleach it. If you guys want to see me bleach it or know how to bleach your closure, then I'll link the video of me doing that in the description box. But overall, the bundles are nice. There's no smell to it. They're beautiful. Ali Julia is not that expensive, so if you guys want to get you some bundles, I'm gonna link everything down below if you want to twin with me. The hair I have in now is actually from Bullet hair, so if anybody's going to ask, that's where it's from. I've already done a review on them, so I'm not going to talk about them in this video. But yeah, the Ali Julia bundles are really nice. I recommend going and getting them, and I'll do an updated little review whenever I have the hair installed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!